Okay, go ahead, Thomas. Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Again. Pull the trigger.